Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make beignets. So we start off with these, the flaky layers, and then we pull them apart like this and kind of like split them into halves. So we pull them into like thin layers and then put them in halves, and then we turn our oil all the way up to a boil. And right now I'm just kind of checking to see if it's ready. It wasn't hot enough yet, so I'm going to just throw that one away. But yeah, you turn your oil up to a boil, and then you're going to put them in here and coat them with powdered sugar. And then we're going to put them in here. So I will show you guys once the oil is hot enough. Okay, so we are boiling them with the oil, and then look, it's pretty quick. And then you flip them over. They need a little bit on each side, a little bit more. But they'll get crunchy. I'll come back to you guys in a second when they are crunchy. Okay, so these are the fried ones, and then these are the finished ones. So we stick them in the powdered sugar, coat them with the powdered sugar, like this. And then we put them in here, and then we're gonna enjoy them. Enjoy, guys.